This how-to video guide does not constitute financial advice and is purely for educational purposes. Members of Subverto Trading Club may or may not have exposure to any of the crypto coins or NFTs mentioned. You should always do your own research before making financial decisions and follow the mantra of caveat emptor, buyer beware. Enjoy, guys.
Hello everyone and welcome for this new weekly Ask Me One chart. This week, thanks to Climber91, we are going to talk about the curve against BTC and against USD. So these two charts you can see here are really simple. So let's start with the CRV BTC, where we can see a big consolidation in this gray box just here. So the price is flat since more than 1 year, 1.5 years. So there is nothing to do on this one. What we can also see is the volume. In the bottom of the chart here, you have in gray all the volume, and you can see that it's decreasing a lot, but it's the same for the entire crypto market. So it's not specifically to curve. On the lower time frame, what we can see is this blue blue area that was acting like resistance, then support 2 times, and then resistance again, and we just broke it. So it acted a few times like support and resistance, and this time it looks like it's not acting like resistance again, or maybe like a support if price can manage to bounce on this zone. This is for the CRV BTC. You can have two different setups. You can have a bullish base and a bearish one. So you can see something like a rising wedge here or a bear flag here, and it would be a bearish pattern, okay? But what I can see also is this higher high and higher low. So let me zoom in. Here we have a trend, and this trend is bullish. Why? Because you have a bottom here, a top, another bottom, but this second bottom is higher than the first one, and the second top here is higher than the first one here. So this is the definition of a bullish trend. Now let's switch to the USD charts. Here we had a nice uptrend since few months, since last year. You can see in the blue, because we have first a higher high, higher low, and then here you have higher high and higher lows. But just here we made the first lower low and higher high. So the trend was not bullish and not bearish. But after a few weeks, we dumped and broke this low. So we are now in a bearish trend. Why? Because you have lower lows, so you have a lower highs, sorry. You have a high here, a lower high, lower high, lower high. And you also have lower lows, okay? Low, low, low. Now let's see if the price does a lower low again, or if it can manage to stabilize, consolidate here, and then break those two tops to start a new uptrend, okay? So for now, on the CRV, I have no position on this one, and I think it's not the time to take any position on curve, either a long or a short. I think it's just a moment to wait for a clear trend and best opportunities. Okay, thank you very much for listening to us. Don't forget to like, retweet, and join us on the Subverto Discord. Goodbye everyone, bye bye. Did you like this video? Leave a like, comment and subscribe. Discover our different social networks and our website in description just below.